Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make orange popsicles at home. First, select about 4 to 6 ripe oranges to yield enough juice. You'll also need 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water to create a simple syrup. Don't forget your popsicle molds and sticks, which are essential for shaping your frozen treats. A small amount of lemon juice, perhaps 1 teaspoon, can enhance the flavor. Let's get started with the preparation. Now, let's prepare the delicious orange mixture. Begin by juicing your fresh oranges until you have approximately 2 cups of vibrant orange juice. Next, in a small saucepan, combine 1/4 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear, simple syrup. Allow the syrup to cool down to room temperature before mixing it with your fresh orange juice. This ensures a smooth, consistent base for your popsicles. With your orange mixture ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the liquid into each popsicle mold, leaving a small space at the top for expansion during freezing. Then, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Ensure the sticks are straight so they are easy to hold once frozen. Place the filled molds into your freezer and allow them to freeze completely, which usually takes about 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight for best results. Once your orange popsicles are fully frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily remove them from the molds, run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for a few seconds. This helps to loosen them without melting the popsicle itself. Gently pull on the stick, and your perfect homemade treat is ready. These are wonderfully refreshing on a warm day. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.